welcome back. Today I'm showing you part 2 of Emma's video that she made for us. Part 1, we saw the home that she lived in with her fiance Alberto in Guaymate, Dominican Republic, which is a very small town about 25-30 minutes from La Romana, so southeast. That was super interesting, so if you haven't seen it, it's in the description, as well as her Instagram and stuff. But today she's going to show us the house that she is in the process of building with Alberto, which is just next door, which is really cute. And the house is really awesome, and I love seeing the process of building a home in the DR, and that's something that Chris and I will be doing. So she's going to answer some questions for us in a future video about kind of building costs and what all goes into building a home and getting land in DR. So make sure you are subscribed because I have videos every week and I don't want you to miss anything. Share with a friend, comment, like, all of that helps me so much, so I really appreciate it. She also tells us a little bit about her experience in DR at the end of this video, so definitely make sure you watch that because like I said in the last video, I just love her perspective. I love her outlook on expat life in the DR. She's very appreciative of the culture and just grateful for the experience, which is so important. Guaymate kind of reminds me of Jarabacoa, where I lived for a year. It's a very small town, way smaller than Jarabacoa, I think, but kind of similar in sense of like the lifestyle, more or less. So it's really cool to see. And then I'm gonna do part 3. I just didn't want to make this video too long. And then in part 3, she shows us the tour of her city and kind of popular spots that they go to and restaurants and bars and all of that. So make sure you check that out too. I love seeing street tours and like envisioning like day in the life there. So that's kind of like a guided tour that they do for us. So yeah, comment below any questions that you have. Just be respectful as always, and let's see her house.
So now I'm going to show you the inside of our house to see what that's like. It's not completely done whatsoever. We're still working on it a lot, but it's getting there. So yeah. So we have our gallery here. We'll have eventually like seats, a table, everything like that. We do have glass sliding doors here. And when you enter, this is going to be our living room and kitchen. Again, we don't have anything here yet. We do have someone building us an entire kitchen, so the kitchen's going to be all along here with the sink being right there. Right now all we have is our refrigerator. We do have like a water dispenser, and we have a toaster. But that's what we have. I don't know exactly how we're going to have the house like all set up with all the furniture and everything. It's still super empty in here, but maybe I can do another video once we have it all furnished and everything. And then we have our bedroom here. We will be putting a door here as well. We have someone building us a whole bedroom set, which is great. We're gonna have like a big bed frame. We're gonna have like side tables and everything. But for now, we have an air conditioner in here, which is so amazing. It's nice and cold in here. Very lucky to have that. We have our bed, Albani, our daughter's bed. We have like a cabinet for all of our clothes, all my luggage from when I moved here. We just have, this is all of Albani's clothes in here, and this is just temporary. We're gonna have like a whole set, and eventually we're gonna have like a TV and stuff, but this is what we have for now. This door leads right to the backyard. Again, like I said, we are gonna be building another room, so this is going to be a hallway that leads to that additional room. And then this is our bathroom. This is probably like the room that's like almost finished compared to the rest, but again, still working on it a lot. This is our shower here. We have like the glass door for the shower that's being delivered to us. We have the running water here, so the shower works great. It is cold water, but we are getting a hot water, like, I don't know what it's called, hot water boiler or something. We're getting that for the shower, so we'll have hot water, we'll have strong water. You know, we have our toilet and just like our sink, mirror, everything. Yeah, definitely not finished yet, but we're getting there. You know, you have to start from somewhere, so yeah, that is our house. So as you probably saw, compared to, you know, maybe other videos that you might see of like expats living in the Dominican Republic, it is very different living here, but it's truly a life-changing experience living here. It made me so grateful for everything that I have and everything that I had in the United States that I just took for granted, because we truly do take so much for granted living in the United States, with all of, you know, just like constantly having electricity all of the time. That's just not something that we have here. So just things that you just don't think about every single day. Running water, having a real shower, being able to flush the toilet with like just a push of a button, you know, you just don't have all of that here. So it makes you open your eyes and just be so appreciative for what you have. A lot of the people here don't have a lot of money, you know, most of them make between $200 and $400 a month, US dollars. So as we know, that's not a lot of money, but they don't have a lot here, but they make the most out of everything that they have. And I could cry talking about this. I'm so passionate about it just because of how much like I love it here. I don't think that I'd want to move to like another area where we could live, you know, a quote unquote better lifestyle, because I just love how we live here. The people here are so genuine. They will literally give you, they will give you the shirts off their back no matter what. If you don't have money, they will lend you money. If you don't have food, they will feed you. They might not have a lot, but they make the most out of everything that they have, and they feel so rich with love. And just the walls in like Alberto's family's house are just filled with like love and compassion, and they just care so much. It's so different compared to like a house in the United States. I don't even know how to put it into words, but it's just so different and such a life-changing experience. And like, if you're ever in this area, definitely feel free to reach out to me and I will show you around. And there's not much here, but you can kind of see how the Dominicans live in this part of the country, because it is very different from like maybe Santiago, Puerto Plata, areas like that. So yeah, we definitely take a lot for granted. I'm so lucky to have this experience. I love living here. I can't wait for my family to be able to come here and see the house and meet all of his family. It's so great.
All right, guys, how cute is her house? I love it so much. So like I said, make sure you are subscribed, notifications on. We will be doing a video about building costs and all of that, and her experience building their own home in DR, which is just super cool. So make sure you don't miss that. And if you do have any questions that you definitely want me to ask her, comment them below and I'll save them and I'll make sure that we address them in that video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I have new videos every single week, so I will see you guys soon.